Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much a Lexus ES 350 costs. Let's explore the factors that influence its price, from new vehicle purchases to pre-owned options. Understanding these elements will help you make an informed decision. We'll cover base models, popular upgrades, and how mileage affects value. Get ready to discover the true cost of owning this luxurious sedan. When buying a new Lexus ES 350, the base model offers a strong starting point. However, many buyers opt for enhanced trim levels such as the luxury or ultra-luxury, which can add several $1,000s. Desirable features like a premium sound system or advanced safety packages also contribute to the final price. Consider your priorities to balance features with your budget. Exploring the used market for an ES 350 can offer significant savings. A vehicle that is a few years old often sees a depreciation of 25 to 35% from its original price. Key factors influencing used value include the car's mileage, its overall condition, and a complete service history. Always consider a pre-purchase inspection for peace of mind. Beyond the initial purchase, remember to factor in ongoing ownership costs. Annual insurance premiums can range from $1,500 to $2,000, depending on your coverage and location. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes and tire rotations, is generally affordable. The ES 350 also offers respectable fuel efficiency, helping manage your daily driving expenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.